Hello, my dear student. I welcome you all to the maths class. So, in our last class, we have done till question number 6 of part question number 2, right? Part 6 of question number 2, and I have given you few home assignment also. And in today's session, also, I have told you that I'll be continuing with the question number 9. So, I will be doing the same thing. So, the question number 9 from part 9 from question number 2, 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. Now here one unusual number you can see, that is 4, which is not expressed in its prime form, although it is in exponential form, but it is not expressed in its prime form. Whenever you see any number which is not converted into its simplest form or in its prime form, then you have to convert this into its prime form. Okay, so 4, you all know that 2 into 2 can be written, right? So 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 2 into 2 can be written for 4, but you know that there is a power 3, exponent 3, so let's write exponent 3 over there into a cube. Right now I can use one rule here, that when you have the same base and if there is a power and if there is a multiplication sign, the exponent should be added, right? So 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 2 1 plus 1, still there is a power 3 outside waiting for his chance. So 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 2 square to the power 3 into a cube, right? This can be done. Which rule I have used here? The rule is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So whatever rule you are using, that needs to be written. Now when you have power over power, exponents over exponent, then what happens? Power should be multiplied. Absolutely. So 2 to the power 6 into a cube. So what rule you have used? The rule which we have used is a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n. That means that exponents can be multiplied. Now when you have the same base, that is 2 2, and if there is a division sign in between, then the exponent should be subtracted. Over here also, when you have the same base and if there is a division sign, then your exponent should be subtracted. So 5 minus 3 can be done. So I can write here a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n can be written. Now 2 to the power 2 into a to the power 2. Alright. So why? Because 8 minus 6 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is also 2. Now you can see here, when you have the same different base and there is an exponent same, then we can multiply this 2 into a to the power square, or you can write as 2a whole square as an answer. So any form you can write it. Okay, so this is your choice. I hope you guys understood this. Let us solve now question number 10. Let me shift the place of number 10. Okay. Number 10 here is also very similar, a to the power 5 divided by a cube into a to the power 8, right? So first of all, what we can do here, let's take this whole value. You know that when you have the same base, exponent should be, and if there is a multiplication sign, exponent should be added. A to the power 5 plus 8 divided by a cube can be written is equal to a to the power 8 plus 5 means it is 13 divided by a cube. Now when you have the same base and if there is a division sign in between, then your exponents can be subtracted. So 13 minus 3 can be written a to the power 10. So let us write a to the power m divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. So this is what I have done here, right? I hope you guys understood. The value is a to the power 10. Okay, so let us now proceed to the next one, that is number 11. Very easy, very similar to that what we have done. 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 8 b to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 5 b square. So over here we can convert this 4 into its simplest form, or you can simply solve it. Why? Because you have got the same base for both the numerical value, right? So let us write, when you have the same base and if there is a division sign in between, your exponents will be subtracted. You can cut it like this also, or you can write 4 to the power 5 minus 5, right? Now here, for let us we can distribute this. We can divide this, and we can write it as a to the power 8 minus 5, because they have the same base. There is a division sign in between and the exponent should be subtracted. Into, similarly, base same b, your exponent should be subtracted, 3 minus 2, which can be written 4 to the power 0 into a to the power 3 into b to the power 1. So the 4 to the power 0 can be written as 1 a cube into b, so the value is a cube b. Very simple, very easy. So a to the power 0 means it is 1, and over here we can use one rule, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. This is the rule which I have used here, yes, which we can use. Okay, the last one, question number 12, is left out. Let me shift this. Let us solve it over here. So question number 12 is also very similar. 2 to the power 3 into 2. You have got the same base. Let us add the exponent inside the bracket. Don't forget to put the bracket outside. Here what rule I have used? A to the power m into a to the power n. It can be written as a to the power m plus n. So that's what I have done inside the bracket over here, right? So 2 to the power 4 to the power 2. So when you have power over power, what should be written? It should be the power should be, the exponent should be multiplied. So 2 to the power 8 can be written. So what rule you have used here? It is very necessary to write that whenever you have power over power, then the power or the exponent should be multiplied. So this is the thing, and we got the value, right? Okay, with that question, we are over with question number 2 now, finally. Now we will be solving question number 3. Okay, state true or false and justify your answer. You not only have to say true or false, you have to justify the answer also. Not a problem. Here there are two, it is divided into two parts, that is left hand side and right hand side. That means you have to make left hand side and right hand side same. We have done this type of sum many a time when we were doing simple equation, right? So let us start solving. Let us solve its LHS first. So RHS is what we have to get, that is 100 to the power 11. So 10 into 10 to the power 11. You have got the same base. You have to use the rule of law of indices or laws of exponent. 10 to the power, this is 10 to the power 1. So I can write 1 plus 11. What is the rule? The rule is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, right? Yes. Now 10 to the power 1 plus 11 can be written as 12. So what did you got in LHS? LHS we got 10 to the power 12. And what is RHS? What is RHS? And our RHS is 10 to the power 100 to the power 11, which is not equal, right? Which is our RHS. So we can write, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, hence it is false. Why it is not true? Because LHS and RHS are not matching, simply because in LHS we got 10 to the power 12 and in RHS it is 100 to the power 11, which is far greater. RHS is, right? Okay, let's do now number 2. Let me shift the area. Okay, so 2 cube is greater than 5 square. Okay, in order to solve this, we have to simplify both the side. So that means, simplify means we have to find the value of 2 cube first. 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, which means it is 8. Exactly. Now similarly for 5 square, we can write as 5 into 5, it is 25. So is 2 cube greater than 5 square? No, it's not like that. We can every time, it cannot be said that whenever you have the exponent greater, your value will also be greater. Every time that is not possible. Sometime we have to look for by solving or simplifying it also. So therefore 5 square is greater than 2 cube, hence it is false, right? We got that 5 square is greater than 8, that is 25 is greater than 8, which is 2 cube. That means the statement, the question which is given to us is wrong, that is false. Okay, proceeding to the next one. 2 cube into 3 square is equal to 6 to the power 5. Again here we have LHS and RHS, that is left hand side and right hand side. So LHS, so let us solve LHS first, that is 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube means it is 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 square means 3 into 3. If I simplify this, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into 9, 8 9 is 72. That means in left hand side we got 72. Now we have to solve for RHS. So 6 to the power 5 means, 6 to the power 5 means it is 6 is how many time? 5 time. 5 time, 1 2 3 4 5. So 6 6 is 36, right? So this is little bit bigger one. 6 6 is again 36 into 6. So now let's multiply 36 into 36. 36 into 36. 6 6 is 36. 3 in hand. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Multiply this. 6 3 is 18. 1 in hand. 6 3 is 18. 1 in hand. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 9 2 1. So 1296. Again 1296 should be multiplied with 6 again. 6 6 is 36. 3 in hand. 9 6 is 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 1 in hand again. 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7776 is the answer, right? So what do you have to say for this? As they are not equal, right? So 7776 is far greater than 2 cube into 32. That means the value which we got is 72, right? So we will write that 72 is not equal to 7776. That is, LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence it is false, right? If suppose this was same on both the sides, then we could have said it is true. Okay, the next one, proceeding to the last one, that is number 4. 3 to the power 0. First of all for LHS, and then we will go for RHS. LHS is 3 to the power 0, which means it is 1. That means a to the power, any base having a exponent 0 will be considered as 1, right? We got the value 1. For RHS, 1000 to the power 0. Any value, any base, if you have a base suppose in crore but the exponent 0, then the value will be 1. So LHS and RHS are matching here, right? LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is true. Hence it is true, as because they are matching. Alright, so I hope you people understood. We are over with question number 3 also. So in our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.